Hi all, once again welcome to computer class. In this class we are going to discuss about MSW logo. 5th standard we already discussed about it. Did you remember? Okay. Anyway, in this chapter we are going to discuss some more comments about MSW logo. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about set pose command. Okay, I hope all of you know what's the use of set pose. Yes, it is used to move the turtle. Okay, its format is set pose inside the bracket x space y. Here x means how many points turtle has to move horizontally and y means how many points it has to move vertically. Okay, here I give set pose 100 0. That means the turtle has to move horizontally how many points? 100 points and vertically 0 points. Okay. Now I am going to press enter key. Clear. Next I am going to give set pose inside the bracket. Here I give 0 as its x value and 100. Okay. Here I give set pose 0 100. That means it has to move 0 points horizontally and 100 points vertically. Okay. Clear. Next command is set x. Do you know what's the use of set x command? Yes. By using set x command, you can move the turtle horizontally. Only horizontally. Okay. Now I am going to clean the screen. CS for clear the screen. Okay. Then set x 60. That means yes, the turtle has to move 60 points horizontally. Clear. If I give set y 40, what's the meaning of it? Yes, the turtle has to move 40 points vertically. Okay. Clear? Next, did you remember that PD command, PD and PU command? PD means yes, pen down and PU means pen up. Clear? If you want to move the turtle without drawing a line, you have to type PU, that is pen up. Okay, PU. Then you give set pose command. Set pose. Inside the bracket I gave 20 space 20. Okay, then press enter key. Yes, then the turtle will move without drawing line. Okay, next suppose you want to draw a line. In that case what you have to do? Yes, you have to use PD command, that is pen down. PD. Okay, then I am going to type set pose inside the bracket 100 100. Yes, now the turtle is moved with drawing a line. Okay, clear? Then two more commands. Do you know what is the use of HT? HT. That means hide turtle. Can you see turtle on the screen? No. Type ST for show title. Okay. Next I am going to discuss about comment. Comment means sometimes you want to type the description of the logo program. Not logo command. Sometimes you have to type the description. If you want to type the description, you have to use comment. For comment, you have to type semicolon. In MSW logo, you have to type semicolon. In KTurtle, you have to type hash key. Clear? Here this is MSW logo, so you have to type semicolon. Then what's the use of PU? Yes, it is used for pen up. Okay, it's a description about PU. Clear, it's not a command, it's a description. In that case, you have to use command. For command, you have to type, first you have to type semicolon. clear, or we can say that it helps the programmer and others to understand the details of the programs. Clear? The command will not execute by the CPU. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next, I am going to discuss about repeat function. I hope all of you know what is the use of repeat. Yes, it is used for repeat any task. Okay, suppose I want to draw a square. For that, what I have to do? Yes, I have to type FD100. I have to type FD100, then RT90. Again, I have to type FD100, then RT90. Again, FD100, RT90, then once again FD100, RT90. Did you notice here FD100 and RT90 repeats 4 times? Okay, in this case we can use repeat function. Clear? You look at the screen. Here I am going to use repeat function. Clear? How many times here repeats? 4 times. Okay, so you have to write REPEAT, repeat. How many times? 4 times. Then open the square bracket, then close it. Inside the bracket you have to write FD100. Inside the bracket you have to write the instructions that repeats. Okay, here it is FD100 and RT90. Yes, then you will get square. Clear? I hope what is the use of repeat function? Is it clear? Yes, I hope it's clear. Next, I am going to explain about nested repeat command. Okay, do you know what is nested repeat command? Yes, repeat command can be placed inside another repeat command. It is called nesting of repeat commands. Clear? Now I am going to clean the screen. How you clear the screen? By using CS. Okay, then now I am going to type repeat 3, then inside the bracket again I am going to type repeat 20, then inside the bracket of this repeat function I am going to type FD100 and RT170. Okay, look, this is nesting of repeat commands. Okay, what happens here? Or if you look at the screen, yes, if you type repeat 20 FD100 RT170, you will get this picture. Okay, if you write this repeat 20 FD100 RT90 inside another repeat, that is repeat 3, that command will repeat 3 times again. Okay, then you will get this picture. Okay, next I am going to discuss about procedures or create your own commands. Okay, look at the screen. For creating procedure in KTurtle you have to use learn function. In MSW logo you have to use to. Okay, that is TO. Clear? Yes, for that you have to type TO, to, then give the procedure name. Here I give SQ. Okay, then press enter. Then here I am going to type the command for drawing a square. Okay, that is REPE, repeat for FD 100 RT 90. Okay, then click on OK, then cancel. Okay, then can you see SQ defined? That means our procedure is ready. Clear. Procedure means give a name to a particular instructions. Okay, or set of instructions. Clear? Now I am going to run that SQ. You just type SQ, then you will get square. Okay, then again now I am going to clear the screen by using CS. Then again I am going to type SQ. Clear? Then I will get square. Clear? This is procedure. Then what is the use of this procedure? Yes, you can again and again you can use that SQ. Clear? No need to type repeat for FD 100 RT 90 for drawing a square. If you want to draw a square, just type SQ. Clear? Now I hope all of you understood what is procedure. What is procedure? Yes, procedure means by using this you can give name to a set of instructions. Okay, you give the name to repeat for FD 100 RT 90 as SQ. Okay, if you want to draw a square, what will you do? Yes, again and again you have to type SQ. Clear? No need to type repeat for FD 100 RT 90 like that. Okay, procedure. I hope procedure is clear. Okay. Next, I am going to explain about print function. Okay. Suppose I want to type my name. Okay. For that, I have to use print command. That is PRINT. Print. Here I want to type Reena. REENA. Okay. That means it's a set of characters. Or we can say that Reena is a string. If you use string, before that you have to type double quotes. Okay, if it is string, you have to type double quotes. Then you type the string REENA. Okay, can you see Reena there? Okay. Next, I am going to explain about wait function. I hope you can guess what's the use of wait function. Anyway, or if you look at the screen, now I am going to draw a square. Okay, for that I have to type repeat for inside the bracket FD 100 RT 90. Then after that I am going to give wait. After wait you have to give the time. Here I am going to give 100. Okay, then press enter. Here 100 is a time. Okay, yes, and look at the screen. I hope all of you understood what is the use of wait. Okay, it will slowly draw the picture. Okay, clear? I hope all of you understood this chapter, that is MSW logo. Yes or no? Okay, thank you.